Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Aini Dwi Kurnia Pertiwi. I'm from Industrial Engineering in Andalas University. Today I want to presentation about my subject, Industrial Statistic 1. I want to presentation about binomial probability distribution. Okay, I will show you the PPT of my subject. Okay, let me introduce myself again. I'm from Industrial Statistic 1 Class B. I'm Aini Dwi Kurnia Pertiwi with ID number 201093202 and 1. And my lecturer is Mrs. Dina Ramayanti. Today, I want to presentation about binomial probability distribution. Okay, we will describe it. BI or B in the word binomial means two. This refers to each time trial or opportunity. Only two possible outcome appears. Binomial distribution have a characteristic. Characteristic of binomial probability distribution is 1. The experiment was carried out n times. 2. Each experiment has two possible outcomes. 3. The possible outcome of each trial are the same. 4. The result obtained in the first experiment will not affect the result obtained in the other trial, mutually independent. And 5. The equation for calculating probability can be seen as follows. Okay, binomial probability distribution have a formula. If x be a discrete random variable, then the probability of x is px. This is the formula of px or the probability of x. From this formula, we can describe it with example. There are a question about binomial probability distribution. Example 1 is, suppose we have a coin which consists of two sides, front and back. Suppose we draw 10 times. In the first draw, the possible results are only the front or the back. In the second draw, the possible results are only the front side or the back side, and so on. Every time you draw, the possible results are the same, only two, namely the front side or the back side. Out of 10 atoms, what is the probability that the front side appears twice? Okay, from this question, we have known number of trial or n is 10. Probability of success or probability of getting a front in each trial or P is 0.5, and probability of failing or probability of not getting a front in each trial or key that we can get from 1 minus P is 0.5. From this question, we ask, out of 10 atoms, what is the probability that the front side appears twice? Or Px is 2. What is S in the probability of the occurrence of the front side that the event that is considered successful is if the front side appears when drawn? Okay, we can see that what we know from the question. Okay, from this question, we can solve the question with this formula. With x is 2 and n is 10 and p is 0.5 and key is 1 is 0.5. So we can get the probability is 0.0439. Okay. I have a question. One question again. This example 2. In a school, there are 5 teachers participating in the UKG test with a passing rate of 0.6. Calculate the probability when at most 2 teachers pass. This is a cumulative probability distribution. From the question, we know that number of trial or n is 5, probability of success or p is 0.6, and probability of falling or key or 1 minus p is 0.4. From the question, we ask is calculate the probability when at most 2 teachers pass. Okay, the question we can answer with this formula, with binomial formula again. With x is 0, x is 1, and x is 2. For px is 0, we get the probability is 0.01024, and for probability 1, we get 0.0768, and for probability 2, we get 0.2304. From the tree of probability, we get the cumulative of probability is 0.3174 and 4. So the probability when at most 2 teachers pass is 0.31744. Okay, I think that's all from me about binomial probability distribution. I thank you for your attention and sorry if for my mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.